to lack of money, due to lack of knowledge, due to lack of availability of resources. Many women want to delay their childbearing to pursue their career, higher education. Many wants to have child with their new spouse, but time and age waits for none. What if they have entered in their menopause? How to deal with it? Hello friends, myself Dr. Khushbu. I am a fertility and IVF consultant at Neelkanth Fertility and IVF Hospital, Patna. As a fertility consultant, a very frequently asked question to me is, can I get pregnant after menopause? And the answer is, why not? Before discussing how, let's discuss a bit about menopause. Menopause is a phase of life when one is no longer having periods, her reproductive age group is gone, she can't get pregnant as the egg reserve is exhausted. No eggs are left to fertilize with sperm. Secondly, due to lack of reproductive hormones, estrogen and progesterone, the uterus shrinks, the endometrial lining gets thin, which is not suitable to keep a pregnancy. So a menopausal woman is not having eggs to fertilize with sperm and form embryos, and her uterus is not suitable to keep pregnancy. Then how can she get pregnant? The answer is IVF, that is in vitro fertilization with the help of donor eggs. Look, what we do is we take the eggs from donors. That is, the ovarian hyperstimulation process is done on the donor. Eggs are retrieved through the help of IVF, and the egg so taken is fertilized with the sperm of intended father. The embryo so formed is finally transferred to the uterus of intended mother, womb, that is uterus after preparation. Usually couples are not sure and scared related to this donor IVF procedure, but actually there is nothing to stress about it. These donors are young women with proven fertility, very good egg quality, and they are rigorously tested for infectious diseases and genetic disorders. Also, you can choose donors from a list which is usually provided by the IVF clinic in which you are getting your treatment, and you can choose the characteristic which you want in your child. Also, this donor IVF is very safe medico-legally. These donors never get to know to whom they are giving their eggs to and vice versa. Now coming to uterus. As due to lack of reproductive hormones, estrogen and progesterone, the uterus is shrinked, atrophic, smaller, and the lining is thin. We can rejuvenate the uterus and the endometrial lining with cyclical use of oral estrogen and progesterone, which is usually provided in form of oral medications. Usually 3 to 4 cycles of cyclical estrogen progesterone therapy is enough to rejuvenate the uterus, but it can vary according to patient's requirement. Once the uterus regains its characteristic, the lining is regained to its normal, we can do the IVF procedure. The embryos formed from donor eggs are finally transferred after preparing the uterus. You will be surprised to know the success of IVF with donor eggs in menopause is very good. It's because we have taken eggs from a donor which is very young, and the embryos so formed are very good, leading to very good results. Now, you are planning your pregnancy in 50s. You are more prone for health problems like diabetes, hypertension due to your age. You are more prone for heart problems also. So it is always advised to go for whole body checkup before you go for IVF. Optimize your health condition and then get IVF done. Also, if you get pregnant after IVF, you are more prone for certain problems like gestational diabetes mellitus, preeclampsia, eclampsia, multiple pregnancies which can have adverse effect on your health. So close monitoring, regular antenatal checkup will keep them away. As with advanced science and technology, The barriers of pregnancies are pushed. Age is no bar. But suppose you underwent IVF at 60. Your child is 20 when you are 80. Consider the implications of having child at any age. Build a strong support system for your child in adulthood. Choose a correct age of childbearing. IVF is a gift to infertile couples. Use it wisely to enjoy motherhood. Friends, this was all about IVF with donor eggs after menopause. If you have any queries regarding this, please leave it in comment box. I will keep posting videos on female health problem. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and show your love. Thank you.